BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to my last video, when the price was within this, we mentioned we can expect to get the correction. This is what we get. That's why I mentioned if you want to look for buy, we should be wait for the correction. I know the question is how deep this one can go and whether we can put this one in relative to this or not. Because if we get the running flat, we can look for the reversal. The only thing is if even if we want to look for the buy, almost the price need tag the previous top. Okay, we want to see this is where we should be quite careful if we want to look for buy. In this case, we move to daily chart, and the only thing is we get the reversal as what we expected. But the question is whether this one can continue from here or still we can expect this one turn to a bigger correction before we get the next move. That means maybe this one drop a bit more. Okay, that's why if he wants to look buy at the top, we need to be quite careful. And if we move to forward chart, right now we're looking at this. The first things we want to see whether this one can be a deeper correction. We can look for the running flat. Then any reversal, this is what we're looking for. But beside that, how about can we put this one in relative to this? That means this one tend to drop a bit, drop a bit more. Not only what we have here, that means this one tend to complex correction for next move because still we can expect either the price drop from here, we get the flat, or even we get one move up before the price drop. Okay, that's why we can expect for the flat, but right now we're looking at this and still we can expect to get the running flat for one move up. Okay, but again, if we want to look for buy, the price is almost tag the previous top. We have to be quite careful. Any trade we get, we see cannot continue or break the previous top, or even this top. We have to be, we have to know how to manage it. Anyway, if we want to look for buy, the best thing is if this one continue and retest this low, we can have entry above this. Okay, because what we want the price break and continue. Okay, how about if the price reverse from here? Having entry above this is really risky because almost as we can see is at the previous stop. Okay, but it depends on the traders. If they can manage, they can look for that. But the best things, the safest way is we wait this one become a deeper, at least we get 1 to 3, then we see whether we get the reversal or not. And the another option is either the price reverse from here or retest this low, we wait for the sharp move flag. And the best thing is if the price reverse from here, the best thing is if we get the flag above this. But if the price retest this low, drop a bit more, then any flag we will take the trade and with the breakout of the stop we start to manage. Okay, how high it can go? We cannot confirm right now. We wait, we see. If we get a reversal, then from there we can confirm how high it can go. All right, because we want to see whether the price can break the previous top or not. And even we have this shadow. Okay, in this case, we just wait and see how deep this one can be. And as we mentioned, we prefer this one become a deeper. At least we can look for running flat and reversal. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.